Today we're ditching the raisins and diving into a darker, more dramatic version of a carrot cake that's rich, spongy, and melts into your mouth. Carrot Cake 2.0. We'll start by adding our light brown sugar and flour to a large bowl. Take your eggs, carefully break them, just like me, and add them to the mixture. Pour the neutral oil in there as well, along with your finely grated carrot. Fold in the chopped walnuts for that delicious crunch and add a splash of vanilla extract. Ba-boom! In another bowl, combine granulated sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and cocoa powder. Go ahead and pour that into the previous mixture. Time to bake. Pour your cake mixture into a baking tray and smooth it out nicely. I'll sprinkle in some walnuts, don't forget the crumbs. Frosting time. Beat cream cheese and butter until light and fluffy. Add in your melted chocolate, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Once your frosting has chilled for 10 to 15 minutes and it's smooth and spreadable, it's time for the fun part. Take that golden fluffy cake and smother it generously with our silky frosting. Don't be shy, spread it all over, edge to edge. Now go ahead and top that with some carrot chips and a generous sprinkle of chopped walnuts. It's texture, color, and crunch, all in one irresistible bite. It's time to try it out. Look at them layers. I'll plate mine with some extra carrot chips because we love a crunch in this house. If you're gonna make a cake this season, make this one.